Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we will show you two uncurling. This one is from Hot Wheels. This is Land Rover Defender double cab, and this one is an unlicensed one which I have shown you in the previous video. This just looks alike Jimny, Maruti Suzuki Jimny. So I will be uncurling this and I will be uncurling this. So let's go and see how it looks from inside. Wow, this looks nice. You see guys, we have a Land Rover marking over here. We have nice stickering. The paint is quite shiny, it's good. The top is DIECAST. We have some details in the bottom. It's a plastic, but the details are good. You can see from front also it looks good. Well, I bought it from Blinkit. It doesn't cost me much higher as I found it in Amazon. So you can get it from Blinkit. So it looks nice. So let's go with another one, the uncarded one. This one is the uncarded one. Let's see how it looks. See, it's off-road. It somehow looks the same. It's made up of metal, but it's not, licensed. That's why they cannot name it as Jimny. They had named it as Jimny Sky, but the model looks like a Jimny. Let's open it guys and see how it looks. It's a quite bit handy. Okay, this looks good. The paint is quite good. This is metal, this is plastic. You can see it just looks like Jimny. It has got suspension. Wow. Although it's unlicensed, but it has some features of some of the major brands like Mazda, Tomica. They have suspension. This car has suspension. You can see there is no logo over here, although it's unlicensed. The headlamp looks good. The wheel detailing is good. 4x4 off-road. So if I compare it with this, with Hot Wheels, it somehow look the same, but this one is Hot Wheels, this is licensed one, but this one is unlicensed one, but it's pretty good. I like this. This is a local shop. I got it off 90 rupees around. He was asking me 120. I bargained and got it for 90 as it is unlicensed one. I know about the DIECAST models. So these are the two cars which I got. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.